Hello guys, I'm making this video about how dinosaurs sound like, but this one is hybrid, and yeah, this time is hybrid dinosaurs, not normal dinosaurs. And today video we are only talking about one dinosaur, and that's Pervatasaurus. Now, if you don't know what the Pervatasaurus is, it's basically the nature's first sexual animal. But I tried to think a lot. Is it real or is it not? Well, I don't know. Comment, you guys. Do you think Pervatasaurus is real or not? Well, we will go to this video and listen to it how it sounds. And first of all, comment down below what is your favorite dinosaur. Mine is Pervatasaurus. That looks like Wolverine. Okay, then we start in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Wait. Here we go. Bro, think about hearing this in a cave. Bro, I would be fuck scared. I would be scared. It sounds like a blending between a dragon, a dog, and a gorilla. So that was all, you guys. Please comment down below what is your favorite dinosaur. And also remember, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what is your favorite dinosaur. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace from now on.